Good morning, children. Today we will do the exercise of chapter 3, the north wind and the sun. First of all, we will do the hard words of the chapter, that is, word meanings. We will learn as well as write the word meanings in copy. First one, blast of wind means a strong burst of air. A freezing blast of wind roared. Freezing means icy cool, blast of wind means burst, strong burst of air, strong blow of air. Roared, roared means loud sound, a loud sound. So a freezing blast of wind roared. Blast of wind means strong burst of wind. Second, grumpy. Grumpy means angry. Grumpy north wind. Grumpy means angry north wind. Angry. Third, hollered. Hollered means shouted. Out of my way. Sun hollered north wind. Hollered means shouted. Sun shouted at north wind and said, out of my way. So hollered means shouted. Next, frost. A thin layer of ice. It became cold and the ground was covered with frost. The ground was covered with frost. Frost means a thin layer of ice. Ground was covered with thin layer of ice. Puffing and panting means blowing out air. For all his puffing and panting, north wind could do nothing. Puffing and panting means blowing out air. So blowing, north wind blowed all its air out and still he was unable to do anything. So puffing and panting means blowing out air. Gasped means breathed with difficulty. I give up, gasped north wind. So gasped means breathed with difficulty. So north wind at last, when it was tired, the north wind got tired, he said, I give up. So gasped means breathed with difficulty. Emerged means came out of. Now it is my turn, said sun, as it emerged from the cloud. Emerged means came out. Sun came out from the clouds. Emerged means came out. Let's revise once again. Blast of wind, a strong burst of air. Grumpy, angry. Hollered, shouted. Frost, a thin layer of ice. Puffing and panting, blowing out air. Gasped, breathed with difficulty. Emerged, came out of. Now we will do the question answers of chapter the north wind and the sun. So the first question is, what were north wind and the sun fighting about? So firstly, you will write today's date, chapter number, then chapter name, then you will put the heading word meaning, and then after that you will write word meanings of the chapter. And after completing the word meanings, from the next page you will start the question answers. So the first question was, what were the north wind and the sun fighting about? So the north wind and the sun were fighting about their strength and power. North wind and the sun, they were fighting about their strength and power, that who is the most powerful among them. Second, how did they plan to settle the fight? They planned to settle the fight by a test of strength. Both the north wind and the sun, they take a test of strength by making a competition between them, that who will take out the coat of that man. Question 3. Why was north wind sure of winning? The north wind was sure of winning as he was overconfident. Why was north wind sure of winning? The north wind was sure of winning because as he was overconfident and he thought that I am the most powerful and I can do this task within no time. Next, question 4. Why did the man remove his coat? The man removed his coat because he was feeling hot. So that's why he removed his coat. Question 5. Did sun try as hard as north wind in the test of strength? Give a reason for your answer. No. The answer is no. Sun did not try as hard as north wind. And the reason is sun had easily warmed the air and the frosty ground. Sun, no. The answer is no. Sun had easily warmed the air and the frosty ground. Next, question 6 is, how was north wind different from sun? North wind was overconfident and arrogant. Arrogant means angry. North wind was overconfident and arrogant, while the sun was confident and calm. Calm means quiet. So this was the difference between north wind and the sun. North wind was overconfident and arrogant, while the sun was confident and calm. So you will write the question answers in your copy. Neatly you have to write these question answers in your copy.